Hey, what's up guys, this is me, your friend here, so you all are watching Tech, and today in this video I'm going to talk about Google Pixel 4a and Google Pixel 5. So without further ado, let's get started. Talking about the display you'll be getting is the 6 inches Full HD plus display. This is a OLED panel and support of 90 Hz. Talking about the OS you will be getting is the Android 11 out of the box. This is a Google smartphone, so there will be a stock Android running on the smartphone. Talking about the performance you will be getting is the Snapdragon 765G. This is a 5G processor. As if you know, we have made a comparison video between 765G versus 732G. I will mention that video in the description, so check it out. And as well, it's a 5G processor, make sure you hit the like. If you talk about the GPU you will be getting is the Adreno 620. Talking about the gameplay experience, you will be getting is the 90 Hz display with a Snapdragon 765G. So it's gonna be a pretty much a good expectation in gaming over here. Talking about the battery you'll be getting is the 4080 mAh of lithium polyethylene battery. Inside the box you will be getting is the 18-volt power adapter, and it would be charging via through Type-C cable, and a Type-C over here is a 3.1. As I mentioned, this is a 4080 mAh of battery, and inside the box you will be getting is the 18-watt power adapter. So phone would be taking a time to charge it up, but it's gonna charge really soon. Also, reverse charging and wireless charging both are supported over here. Talking about the camera, as you all know, Google Pixel's camera are always been so highlight. At the rear side you will be getting is the dual cameras, which is 12.2 megapixel, which is a wide camera. And if you talk about the aperture you will be getting is the f1.7. If you talk about the second camera, which is a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, and if you talk about aperture you will be getting is the f2.2. If you talk about the camera on the front side you will be getting is a single camera, which is a 8 megapixel camera, which aperture is of f2.0. And if you talk about the video recording, on the rear side you will be getting is a 4K at 60 frames per second. On the front side, if you talk about the video recording, you will be getting is the 1080p at 30 frames per second. If you talk about RAM and storage over here, there are only one variant available over here, which is 128 gigs of internal storage with 8 gigs of RAM. And if you talk about UFS, you will be getting is the UFS 2.1. And as for me, I have carried out, if there will be another variant available, I will be mentioning in the description or in the comment section down below. So check it out. If you talk about colors, there is two colors over here available, which is just black, which would be a complete black color finishing, and another is soda say, which is kind of white color. And if you talk about fingerprint scanner, it would be there on the rear side, which means at the back side of the phone. If we talk about our second phone, which I told you earlier, which is a Google Pixel 4a, we're gonna start up with the display. Over here you will be getting is the 5.8 inches OLED display. If we talk about OS, you will be getting is the Android 11 out of the box, and as I mentioned, it's a Google smartphone, so stock Android is over here. Talk about battery over here, you will be getting is a 3140 mAh of battery, and the phone will be charging via through Type-C cable. Inside the box you will be getting is the 18-volt fast travel adapter. If we talk about the camera, you will be getting is the single rear camera, which is 12 12.2 megapixel, which is the wide camera. If you talk about the aperture, you'll be getting is the f1.7. If you talk about on the front side, you'll be getting is also a single camera which is of 8 megapixel, and it is also wide. And if you talk about the battery, you'll be getting is the f2.2. And if you talk about the video recording, on the rear side you'll be getting is the 4K at 30 frames per second. And if you talk about on the front side, you'll be getting is the 1080p at 30 frames per second. And as I mentioned in the Pixel 5, this is also a same camera which was on the Pixel 5. If you talk about storage, you'll be getting is the 128 GB of internal storage with 6 gigs of RAM. If you talk about UFS, you'll be getting is UFS 2.1, and this gonna be also single variant. As if it would be another, I'll be mentioning in the comments or in the description down below, so check it out. If we talk about the colors over here, you'll be getting only a single color, which is just black, a complete black finish. If we talk about the pricing, Google Pixel 5 would be priced at $700, and if you talk about Google Pixel 4a, it would be priced at $350. And Google Pixel 5, as per me, Google Pixel 4a wasn't available, and suddenly it came in India at the price of 30,000 rupees. So as we talk about Google Pixel 5, likely it would be there. I'll be mentioning in the description, or if not, we don't know. The smartphones are amazing in their own way. There are also some increments and some decrements in the smartphone. I'm talking about also the last year smartphones, which was Google Pixel 4 and Google Pixel 3a. Both were amazing and everyone loved it a lot. But there are some increments and decrements also. If you talk about Google Pixel 4 to 5, see, Google Pixel 4 was having 855, and this guy is having a mid-range kinda 5G processor. So it is kinda good for those who want a 5G feel, and also kinda good for those who need a kinda gaming processor. Second thing, the battery. Yeah, if you talk about the 4, it was a kinda decrement, but over here Google has taken a look and they have given a good amount of battery. And if you talk about the A series, which is Google Pixel 3a to 4a, there is too much good stuff on 4a. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure hit the like, share among your friends. By the way, this is me, your friend Diaz. You all are watching Tech, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay with Tech.